What's going on, folks? Mark Lux, DLUX Motorsports. Today we got a new 2011 Ford F250 6.7 POWERSTROKE, just over 150,000 original miles. Very nice truck, super clean inside and out, no rust. Local Virginia truck. I know the last owner personally myself. Truck is tuned, deleted. It's on a leveling kit, brand new 35s. Set of 20 Mickey Thompson wheels. It's got an upgraded brush guard in the front, BW hitch in the rear. All in all, a very, very nice truck. Mechanically very nice. Just went through Virginia State inspection. So anyway, this is a new arrival. It just came in, so keep up with the website for more updates on the truck. These ones tend to sell pretty quick. This truck's gonna be priced in the low 20s for a quick sale. So anyway, if you're interested, give us a call. Call us direct, 540-898-1300. Follow us on my YouTube channel, my Instagram for more trucks just like this. And then our website direct, www.dlux-motorsports.com.